firing. The meeting had to come to an end, forcing them to move Raila to another location for safety. And we do know that Raila escaped unhurt. Well, let's now speak to him on phone to get the latest details. Good evening, and thank you so much for speaking to us on Friday Briefing. Maybe you could just give us a blow-by-blow account of what exactly happened.
Linda, I'm right now in Lodwar, but the incident happened at a place called Kainuk in Turkana East. We'd gone there for a rally, me and the governor and the NOC, and the Lodepe, who is the MP for Turkana Central. When we arrived there, there's a big crowd. We landed in a chopper and then went to the scene where the rally was taking place. We were received very warmly by the crowd. And we sat there, they had the traditional dances, groups, but we had our back to the field because people were sitting under the trees. As this was going on, we had a sort of group of youth came charging, but they were repelled by the youth who were down there providing security. They went and then apparently regrouped. And then came back now armed with stones and escorted the group carrying AK-47 guns, over 10 of them. And then all of a sudden, because we had our backs to the field, we just had the gunshots. The gunshots were firing up and things, and people also returning fire. So there's commotion, the people started to run away, and then we moved away and then took cover. The whole incident lasted for close to 10 minutes, at the end of which it was not possible to continue with the rally.
How heavy?
Yeah.
I beg your pardon. How heavy was the firing, and was there anybody who got hurt in the melee?
We understood that after we left Chokos, the battle started. These people were retreating, and the police were also there, also firing the air, of course. I'm told that they were pursued by a group of these youths, and eventually 3 people were arrested. I'm told that some even